Let's get to know how you can install the latest ESign on iOS to install the iPA files on iPhone without PC or jailbreak. Firstly, launch Safari and you're gonna go to this website here, skibiditech.co. Tap on get started. This website gives ads, so we're gonna close the tab here and return back to this website. Download the configuration profile, tap on allow, close. We're gonna go to settings of iPhone. Inside the settings, you can see profile downloaded, tap here and install the DNS profile. Install. Once the DNS profile is installed, go back to home screen and you'll find this sort called skibiditech. Open it. Now you'll get the lots of ESign files here. You're gonna try any one. If one file doesn't work, you're gonna try the next one. Let's try the latest one. Tap on install here. As I said earlier, this website has got ads, so you're gonna close the ad and come back. Done. Once again, install. Go back to home screen and check the progress of ESign. It's been installed. If you try to open, it doesn't open. We're gonna have to trust the developer inside the settings. Go to settings. Inside the VPN, DNS and device management of settings, you're gonna find the enterprise apps at the bottom. Find the one that's not trusted. This one here, not trusted. And trust this. This is of ESign, trust. Once it's trusted, go back. Now you can launch the ESign. It launches properly. Now to install the IPA files, tap on three dots here and you can just tap on import button. Let's go to downloads and I have one IPA file. Import this. Import. Once it's imported, go to apps and you'll get the imported app here. This is OnSign. Tap here and sign, signature, and you can just install here. Install. If you go back, now the IPA file is installing. And successfully we have installed the IPA file on iPhone and it works. Now to keep the ESign in good condition, before you turn off the iPhone, you can go to settings and enable the airplane mode and you can turn off the iPhone. And when you turn it on back, you can disable the airplane mode from the settings. This will prevent the ESign app from getting revoked. So that's the way how you can install the latest ESign to install the IPA files on iPhone. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.